This is the last set of notes for this huge module of Module 5. So you are almost at the end of this thing, because you only have one more module left. Now, percent change equation is your amount minus your base divided by your base, or the new minus your original divided by the original. Amount minus base is equal to your amount of change. Now, a company with 1,500 employees reduces the number of employees down to 1,230. Your amount of decrease, well, you would take your 1,500 and actually you would take your new one, 1,230, and minus the 1,500. So 1,230 minus 1,500 gives you a negative 270. So it's a decrease. Now, if they ask you the amount of change, you would put negative 270. If they just ask for the amount of decrease, if they put that word in there, then they just want the 270. Now your percent of decrease would be negative 270 divided by 1,500, and of course to change it from a decimal to a percent you would times it by 100%. So divide 1,500 and then times by 100 gives us a negative 18%. Again, if they just ask for the percent change, you're going to put the negative. If they ask for the percent decrease, then you're just going to say 18%. Now, amount can be called sales tax, commission, amount of discount. Percent can be called tax rate, commission rate, discount rate. Base can be called original or purchase price, sales, or amount of sales. Now, total price is your purchase price plus your sales tax. Sales price is equal to your purchase or original price minus the amount of discount. So, in number 1, find the sales tax and total price on the purchase of an 8550 Atlas with sales tax rate of 7.5%. So, our amount equals our base equals our rate equals. Well, we do know our rate is 7.5%. Find the sales tax and total price on a purchase. Oh, sales tax. Sales tax is amount. That's the thing we don't know, so I'm going to put an X for it. So our base is 85.5. And remember, if I put this in the calculator will get rid of this 0. So let's go ahead and do that. So amount over base equals your percent over 100. Multiply by these two, divide by that one. So X equals 85.5 times 7.5 divide 100. And it gives you 6.4125. Well, we have to cut it off at 2 decimal places because of money. So if I look at that, it's less than 5, so I knock those off. So on part A of this, our sales tax is equal to $6.41. Now, part B, our total price is our 85.50 plus 6.41, which gives us 91.91. Because 1, 9, 11 carry 1, so that makes us 91.91. Then the sales tax on a $406 TV is blah. Find the sales tax rate. So amount base percent. Alright, the sales tax on this is, so our amount is $26.39, our base is 406, and our percent is X. So 26.39 over 406 equals X over 100. Multiply these, divide by that. So 26.39 times 100 divided by 406, and X is 6.5%. A real estate broker sold a house for blah. Find the commission if the commission rate is 2.5. So amount base rate. Well, the rate is always the easiest one to figure out. That's 2.5% because it's got a percent sign. It's asking us to find the commission, and commission is under amount, so the amount is what we don't know. The base is $214,000. I'd like to have the commission off of that. So amount over base equals percent over 100 times these, divide by that. So 214,000 times 2.5, divide by 100, and we get, ooh, I agree. I would really like this one. Now in my math lab, you're gonna a lot of times there's this one little problem that goes further than that. It says that the real estate company gets 60% commission from this sale. How much is it? So what you have to do is sum amount over 5350 equals 60 over 100. Now I'm going to show you just a small little cheat. Both of these end in zeros, so I can knock one of those sets of zeros off, and I'm multiplying and dividing by a smaller number. So 5350 times 6 divide by 10, and their amount of commission is $3,210. So just in case you do get that problem, remember you have to do this thing twice. Now, if commission is $1,500 on $13,000 worth of sales, what is the commission rate? So the amount of commission is amount, so I'm going to start shortcutting, divided by your base equals your percent over 100. And again, I'm going to use that shortcut again. Chop, chop. So 15 times 100 and divide by 130. So 15 times 100 divided by 130. And it gives us 11.538 stuff. And if I round it off to the nearest tenths, that'll be here. So that's 11.5%. Find the amount of discount and sales price of a W/D means washer dryer combo costing $700 at 35% discount. So amount of discount over your base equals 35% over 100 times these, divide by this. And remember, this is your amount of discount. So that's only the first part of this answer for this problem. So yeah, 700 times 35 divide by 100, and you get $245 as your discount. So remember, with part B, you take your original price minus your discount, and let's just do it by hand. Got to steal one from that, makes it a 6. Add that here, but you got to steal one from there, so add it here. And remember, when you get to the end, don't steal no more. And remember, you're only allowed to steal in math class. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 4 is 5, 6 minus 2 is 4. So the new sales price for this is $455, and you get $245 discount. So have a great day. Good luck on your exit test.